Alright guys, now we're going to open the electrical box and we got to wire up some circuits in there. Alright, here we go. We got the right tools this time. Electrocution. So if you ever electrocute it, you can't tell them that it's your dad. Otherwise, you're just going to get a shock. Alright, so here's our electrical panel. We got one hot leg coming in, another hot leg, and a neutral. And these are our two buses. We got one phase and our phase. All this stuff is live. If I put my fingers like that, I get really hurt. So neutral bus goes on the sides, down, up and down on the bars. Then we got a ground bar up here. And the ground and neutral buses are separated because we got a sub panel outside. But this big line right here goes all the way down to. Therefore, they gotta be separated in this panel. So we're gonna pull the circuit in from the basement lights we just ran. That's what we'll do with that right now. So luckily, we've got a little where we can put two wires on the Romex connector. So that's what we're gonna do here. Use that right there. Slide one more wire into it. Kinda got to use a little more space. So we're just loosening this guy up. And we'll get one more, slide our wire in through there. Now I gotta put this camera actually into the hand through this. So we kind of got our wire. We'll strip a little bit of this insulation off right here. Pull that down very carefully. Just do it. That should kind of slide right off of there. I gotta be careful with wires I'm looking at the panel. So that happens. Lock insulation on the. So we got our hot wire, that's a black one, neutral, and ground. It's got paper on it, it's a little insulator. Leave the paper on just for nothing. Kill myself here. Now if I hit the bus bar, it would be good. Probably just melt it. Doing our amp service here, so you gotta be watching what you're doing. That's all. First thing we'll terminate is the ground wire. So I want to get that. Keep that from floating around over here. But first. Out of the way. Kind of good practice not only have one hand in the panel all the time, because again this thing is live. I'm not shutting off the power to do this because we just don't usually. Work around a lot of live stuff once in a while. Might have to walk through to shut power off. We got work to do, so. We don't do that. And I need like. Now it's fun. Alright, so here we go. Now lucky I got a bus bar right here. Right in the side. I think we're gonna put this off. Get out of my way. wire, this paper off of here. I'm going to take our ground bus right here. We're going to loosen this one wire up right there. If we put two ground wires on the screw terminal. So there's that. Tighten that up. Make that look kind of neat. So we'll bring our neutral wire down. And we're going to try to keep everything neat as possible in the electrical box. These are alignments here. Neat little bender. Kind of 90-degree angles in there. And that's going to come down to about the first bus bar here. We'll just kind of terminate it right around here. So then the wire out of the way. And pull that off. This panel's kind of nice, is where the breakers are, so are the neutral bus right behind it. Kind of take care of everything nice right there. Alright, so our neutrals are going to go towards the back of the panel, and our options go towards the top. I mean the outside more. We're using a square bit. It's like a, it shows that on the handle. It's kind of square tip number 2, I believe. Put that in there. Okay, here we are. Push that back nice. Bend these out just here. Then we'll take the alignment and take it nice and square and get a nice little 90 on there. We're going to take our marker here. Very neatly we're going to write what circuit this is on here so we can read it. That way later on we'll write on the panel what's what. If we have a question, we'll know what's what. So I'm just going to write on this. We'll call this basement works. So we're going to cut this off right now. We'll need all this. And we'll slip this little thing on there. That won't hurt nothing because it's still on wire. It'll get on there anyways. Here's our breaker. I just kind of always put the breakers on the off position. Right, it goes right there. So we'll need to kind of cut this bit down here. Strip a little bit off of there. Sometimes I'll take the breakers right down to this. I've done that all the time. Burn on there. Good. Good. There's those two. And here comes the moment of truth. Hopefully it'll pop. So we're good there. And I put a switch box in here. We don't have any switches. So it's just wired hot. I'll just show you that, but not the switch for it. That's later to be moved anyway, so I've got some extra wire up there. When that's got to get moved. Because the wall's got to be built down more. Alright. Let's put a light bulb in here. see what we got. I gotta borrow this one though, because don't have any bulbs. First, I'll take that one out. I'll throw it in there. Voila, we got light. Okay. And for now, let's shut it off. We're gonna hit the breaker here and shut that off. Okay. Turn it on here. Okay. Now on our breaker panel here. Now we added our circuit. We gotta take another slot out. It's quite simple. You just take your tools. You're gonna bend this down and bust it out. There you go. And the garbage goes. And let's put the cover back up. Put the cover back on. When you put this on, you want to hold the door up here. Facing your breakers. We're going to start putting in screws here. Carefully, strip the threads out. Alright, there we go. All we gotta do is put some light bulbs in all the fixtures we got. We got a lot of slots or fixtures here. And that's that. And that's how you wire up a circuit into the electrical box. And we're going to have to staple all these wires up with put a board up there, but pretty cool, alright? Alright, well, be safe. I'm out.